Dirtada. Number one. For number one is that the movie How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies shows how people often think of what good life truly means, like having a lot of money and being materialistic. But throughout the movie, they realize na kanang it's not all about owning tangible things, but having a sana kanang having a good memories with their loved ones.
A good life in the movie How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies is explored the pursuit of characters by their wealth, relationship, and personal fulfillment. Material success occurs in juxtaposition to deeper values so that true happiness often transcends monetary gain. I find in this film that as it progresses, the themes of importance of family and connections and living an authentic life evolve. The end, however, was that this truly good life was not about accumulation of riches, but about the experiences and relationship one had prior to time running out.
Okay. So for number two is that what I've understood in the movie is that it falls in Steve Miller's philosophical perspective. Kay for example, at first they were very being materialistic and kana laging good life for them is owning tangible things in life, but throughout the movie I think na nag-change ilang perspective into Aristotle's philosophical perspective, which is eudaimonia, which means that having a good memories with their loved ones and having meaningful aspects with them.
So also sa una, same tumugan na pananaw sa movie. First is Steve Miller's philosophical perspective, so also turn into Aristotle's philosophical perspective, which is eudaimonia. So the movie presents close to that is pleasure and avoidance of pain. The characters in such film do enjoy things instantaneously concerning wealth and experience instead of any relevant value or ethics. So Steve Miller's philosophical pinakauna, as in with the protagonist who has too many schemes aligned to get money quickly. The movie plots such a life under materialistic desire rather than true fulfillment, allowing it to question whether such a lifestyle is sustainable. And also sa movie nga gadagan, dito na murag sa ending, dito na himo nga Aristotle's philosophical perspectives, which is eudaimonia. Kay sa last man siya murag nag-regret na mas dapat unta day pili niya ang value sa time, values of time unta nila dapat sayang bola before siya
So for number three, for me is my perspective of having a good life is falls into Aristotle's philosophical perspective, because I believe that living life with meaningful with a purpose and meaningful relationships with others that's what makes me happy, and my eudaimonia is spending life and share meaningful bonds with the love of my life.
Also, to me, a good life is being a good balance, fullness within yourself, meaningful relationship, and contribution to society without negativity. Murag also aligns din sa concept of sa eudaimonia ni Aristotle. Also, to find satisfaction in a good life by doing meaningful activities as spend time with families to reach the state of personal excellence while virtuously. So